The 2005 Chevrolet Avalanche. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission, premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. A premium sound system is just one of the benefits of owning this vehicle. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Heated seats are a desirable comfort feature. Enjoy the flexibility of multi-zone temperature controls. The sunroof lets fresh air in. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.